Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tabylicious. So on today's video I'll be sharing baked mac and cheese pasta recipe. This is specially for the ones who love cheesy goodness, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Subscribe now and let's get started. mac and cheese pasta at home. It is super cheesy and yum, as you can see. So you guys can definitely try it out and do comment below, let me know if you like it. Also, you can even skip the baking part and make mac and cheese pasta itself, or you can also bake it to make it more creamier and cheesier. Do hit the notification button to get notified whenever I post new recipe videos. Also hit the like button if you like my recipes, and do check out my Instagram page. I have given the link in my description, so do check out.